How's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Cruze Suzy. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with Somos Uno. Here we go. 5, 6, Somos Uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more. Y 1, 2, 3. Cruze Suzy. So we're going to cross with the left leg in front on the 1. Then cross the right foot in front on the 3. Then Suzy Q with that left leg on 5, 6, 7. Now repeat the same process. Cross with the right foot in front on the 1. Cross with the left on the 3. Suzy Q with that right foot on 5, 6, 7. And Somos Uno. 1, 2, 3. Y 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try again. Here we go. 2, 3. Cruze Suzy. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3. Allí nada. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing is to make sure that your weight is placed correctly so you can transition much easier into that Suzy Q. So, if I'm doing that cruiser right here on that 1, on the 3 here, the weight should be on that right foot so that left leg can do that Suzy Q much easier. Vice versa, I'm going to go 5, 6 weights on that left leg so I can cross and Suzy Q 5, 6, 7, much easier, alright? So let's try this in half time with music and then we'll do it at full speed, alright? Here we go! 5, 6, Somos Uno, and 1, 2, 3, Cruze Suzy, y 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, Somos Uno, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. Cruze Suzy, y 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, Cruze Suzy, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude the lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.